Automatic agent assignment on your support ticketing system helps you delegate tickets as soon as they are created and ensure faster response for your users. Fluent Support lets you assign agents automatically with workflow automation. This 3-minute setup process will save you countless hours in support staff management and users' waiting time. To start off, head to Workflows from the Fluent Support dashboard and hit Add New Workflow. You can set two types of workflows in Fluent Support: manual and automatic. Enter a name and set workflow type to automatic in the dialog box. Then click Continue. This will take you inside the new workflow. Here, you can set new conditions based on which Fluent Support will assign agents to the ticket. We want this automation to execute as soon as a ticket is submitted, so we will set the workflow trigger to On Ticket Creation from the drop-down menu. Now, for the conditions, if you want to assign by product, choose Selected Product from the drop-down menu. Set the operator to equal and select your product from the drop-down. In case an agent handles multiple products, simply add more conditions for products with plus or button. Or you might want to assign by when the tickets are submitted according to shifts. In that case, select the added time range from the conditions drop-down. Set the operator and then enter the time range for a particular agent. Or you could have a particular recurring issue with only one or two expert agents. In that case, you can search for specific terms related to this issue by selecting Message Content. Set the operator and enter your search term in the right-hand field. Multiple search terms will improve the chances for the trigger to find the relevant tickets. When you are done entering the conditions, scroll down and select Assign Agent from the Actions drop-down menu. Next, select the agent from the drop-down list of your support staff. You can skip this step if an agent is already assigned to the ticket. We will leave it unchecked. You can add unlimited actions according to these conditions, which we will cover in a later video. Enter an action title and hit Save. Finally, scroll up and change the workflow status to Published. Let's see what happens when we create a ticket for one of our products. That's 3 ways you can automatically assign tickets to the best possible agent with Fluent Support. Share how else you would like to assign agents with us down in the comment section. See you soon only on WPManageNinja.